Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Megan Rissica and I am a fashion, lifestyle, and beauty vlogger, and today is going to be an awesome day because I am doing a burrito inspired makeup look. Yes, you're hearing that correctly. It's all inspired by E.L.F's new collection with Chipotle, which is a burrito inspired look. So they only released 100 of these like burrito kits and makeup bags, and luckily enough I was able to get my hands on a few of the items separately. So I wasn't able to get the full kit, but I was able to get the eyeshadow palette, the lip gloss, and the blush. And then I also got some setting powder. That's the first thing that I'm going to do in this tutorial. So please stay tuned to see E.L.F's Chipotle collaboration makeup look.
Let's go.
So I believe that you guys can still get some of the items if you want to purchase them. I will try my best to link them below for you, but let me kind of show you what I got from the collection. So the first item I got is called Red Vixen. It is the lip gloss and it is matte. The name is Red Vixen and this was in the burrito makeup bag. I also received the Halo Glow setting powder. I'm always looking for a good setting powder, so I'm really excited to try this out, and this will be the first item that I'm going to put on my face today because I basically have all of my makeup done except setting. And then I also got their new Primer Infused blush, and the color is Always Punchy. And everything is so affordable. I would say the most anything cost was like $12, and I think that was the setting powder. So everything is super affordable. If you've never used E.L.F products before, I really recommend checking them out. And then I got the bite-sized eyeshadow in Hot Jalapeno. So here is that. These are the colors. They have some like sparkle and sheen to them. I'm really excited to try this out. But the first thing I'm going to do is do the Halo Glow setting powder, and I got shade medium. So I have the Halo powder right here. It is in shade medium. I have to turn the dial, as they say. And then I'm just going to put a little bit into the top. And then I'm just going to press it under my under eyes, on my nose, and on my chin with my beauty blender I have right here. Right, so this is the powder now pressed on my face. I really like it. It does seem to create a blurring effect, and for setting powders, I would say it's pretty good for $12. I'm not mad at it, but it's something too you kind of have to wear and try out, but I really like it. I normally use Jeffree Star's setting powder. It's right here. I love the smell of it. It smells like cotton candy. It is expensive though, and the banana shade is a little bit too yellow for me when I'm not tan, and I'm not tan. Right now I haven't done a spray tan in like 3 months. Thanks quarantine, but no, it's totally fine. So this is more of my natural, well, hair color and skin color basically. But yeah, I'm not mad at the blurring Halo setting powder. It feels nice too. I like to touch things with my face to kind of see how it feels. It's not greasy, it's very smooth, it feels light. So like I said, I'm not mad at it. I think it looks pretty nice. All right, so I'm kind of doing my makeup out of order today. Like, this is not the way that I typically do my makeup, but now I'm gonna use the Primer Infused blush in Always Punchy with this big kind of a fluffy brush. My sister got that for me for Christmas, and I love the marbled brush. But anyway, so let's do a little dabbing. All right, so here is the blush. It was really nice. I think it did its job. It's subtle, but you could definitely build it up if you want more color. I do not typically use blush like ever. So I needed a new blush because, like I said, I don't use any ever. So before we do the eyeshadow look, I'm going to try the matte lip gloss, matte lipstick, whatever you want to call it. This is interesting. Okay, so this is the applicator. Let's see how this goes. Ooh, I love this color. I don't typically wear a lot of eyeshadow or blush, but I feel like this without the eyeshadow is really pretty. Like the colors really complement my skin and I'm really happy with it. Like I think it looks really pretty for an everyday or maybe a little glam with this red lip look. And if you hear some scratching, my pug just broke into my bathroom, so she's here with us. But yeah, I like this. All right, this lip color, it dried so nicely. It doesn't come off when you touch it, but it doesn't feel like chalky or dry. I think I want to buy more of these colors, this lip, because it's really nice. But now I have my little hot jalapeno palette, and let's see here. The shades don't have names. So the first color I'm going to dip into is this like matte kind of a forest green color, and I'm just going to dip into that. I'm going to put it all over. All right, so here is the green on my eyes. It looks really pretty. I'm happy with it. It blended pretty nicely. It wasn't like groundbreaking, amazing eyeshadow, but it's pretty. Next what I'm gonna do is this like gold color. Again, this is supposed to be burrito, but they wrap their burritos in like a silver tinfoil, so the gold doesn't really make sense to me, but whatever. So let's like dab into this gold and press it. Ooh, that's pretty. Ooh, I don't know if you can see. Let me close my eyes for you. The gold over the green created this kind of like neon-y color. I didn't think I was gonna be like obsessed and like love everything I purchased, but so far I'm really impressed with this palette and the overall look of it. I'm really liking it. All right, so next up, I'm gonna take this gray color and just put a little bit on the corners, the best that I can. I'm not the best at doing this, if I'm being honest. I really need to pay attention and not talk while I'm doing this, or I will mess it up 100%. Right, so I added that gray that almost looks like a dark green now that it's on my eyes, but it could be because it's like mixing and blending with the shades. But like, how pretty is this? Like, I have blue eyes too, so I was worried like this palette was gonna make my eyes look dark, but I think it actually looks really pretty. I'm like pretty happy with it. I added that gray color under my eyes and then just a little bit on the top. There's one more color in the palette and I'm like, I might as well just use it. So I may just like dab a little like in here just to kind of make another little pop of color. Let's see here, I have this next color. This seems more like a shimmery type color, so I'm just using like a kind of a loose brush. I'm just gonna dab it in here. I don't know if it's gonna really do anything. Just add it a little bit more green. Ooh, now it's like real green. Kermit the Frog green. I'm gonna take a blender brush and just kind of blend it all together just so it's a little bit more blended is the best word, but it's really pretty. All right, so I'm just gonna take this E.L.F. little blending brush and just kind of blend this all together so it's not so bright, a little bit mixed. These colors are beautiful though. All right, everyone, here is the finished look. Let me get a little bit closer. I did clean up under my eyes with some of that Halo setting powder. I just loosely kind of cleaned it up and then added a pop of mascara. So this is the look. I would say it's more like an everyday, like transitioning into evening look. Obviously, like maybe bright green jalapeno eyeshadow isn't for every day or for everyone, but this palette, because it has the 4 colors, it's really easy to blend, build up, and use. Like with that, adding that gold and that other green made it like pop green, which is really pretty. And I'm like surprised how much I like it, because I don't typically use green colors. But like I said, I'm really liking this. This lip color, obsessed with it. I can't wait to buy more colors. It's been like an hour. It's not dry on my lips. Feels like I'm wearing nothing, but if I eat or anything like that, I don't have to worry about red lipstick going all over my face, because I've been there and done that. But yes, so great. I'm going to try to link these products below, and make sure you check out E.L.F's Chipotle collection, because it's so fun. Such a great idea, and I really love it. So again, thank you so much for watching this video. Please make sure to hit that subscribe button and like this video. Comment below if you'd like me to try out any more collaborations with certain brands. I'm just happy to be here trying out and experimenting with makeup, because I really love to do that. So I hope you enjoyed this Chipotle inspired makeup look. Have a great day, and I'll see you next week, guys. Bye.